For Carol.
Charlotte traffic, where 51.9, downwind runway 3, Charlotte.
Alright, I think I got it. Nope, too long. I recognize that I was too long, too late.
It felt like you were going too fast.
542 Romeo Mike, left base, Livingston.
You're coming in too fast.
Crosswind 31. Left downwind 31, Livingston.
Smooth landing, but not sure. Yep, no, I'm gonna be okay. Just a little bit long. Again. Gonna fully slip it right now. Take the slip out. I took the slip out. Nailed it. So slipping is the right technique, I think. Or slipping it down.
924 for Hotel 8 mile.
That's not gonna help me. That's not gonna help me. I'm definitely long. That's not gonna help me. I fucked up. I came in way too high. I'm gonna stop there to stop the plane too. Alright. I know what I did there. I tried
That was too high. You were too high and too fast.
Short final for 3-1 Livingston.
Livingston County, Diamond 942 Romeo Mike, 7 miles to the west, 431 Livingston.
This is called a well, I still didn't get it. Close. Not even close. Alright, too high. Way too high. Holy shit. That's so bad. Stop a short final for 3-1 Livingston. Well, at least they were short ones.